Myself, Ram Sane. I am product marketing head of switchgear, anchored by Panasonic. This product anchor under the Uno brand, we launched 1.5 years back of this entire range of the anchor switchgear. This product is basically well equipped and the well technology qualified product of the anchor product. We have basically MCB, isolator, RCCB, AC box, Uno guard, and the varieties of the distribution board. If we talk about the technology of this MCB, we have the mid-trip position in the MCB. We have the some contact mid-trip indications. We have the energy efficient in the MCB, and we have the pattern design in the MCB. These are the main highlighted feature of the Uno MCB. In the last 1.5 years, we launched in this product the market, and even a single piece we have not returned as a replacement. So this is a very good product in the market, and we are getting the very good business also. In terms of the isolator, also we have the very good features and the technology. RCCB as a human protection device. Also there is a very the very good product. This product basically designed by the Japanese and the Indian technology, both. Some product that you have the different kinds of the AC box, that is metal AC box, the surface modular AC box, and the metal AC box. So these are the application for the AC, geyser, and some heavy duty loads. Then we have the varieties range of the distribution board for the different application. If we talk about having the 3-phase the vertical DB, I have double door. We have you see that the phase selector DB that we have for the 3-phase applications. We have the PPI DB, per phase isolation DB in the vertical, horizontal, and we have some more the factory fitted pre-wired DB. Also, this all are basically indoor application. If you talk about the outdoor application, we have also for the IP54 DB, this one. Apart from this DB, we are able to design as per the customized DB. So this is special DB also we are manufacturing in the manufacturing unit as per the customer request. For the new product launched this year, that is MCCB. This product is MCCB for industrial as well as the domestic application up to the 250 amperes, having the braking capacity of the up to the 25 kA. Of course, this product will hit to the market and enhance the product basket in our anchor by Panasonic product range. Now, the other product that is new range, that is MCB, higher rating of MCB. The MCB in the previous that was only 63 ampere, now it is up to the 125 ampere of the single phase and the 3-phase both. Now we have the other range of the new one, that is changeover. This is again the very exciting product for the changeover, having the 63 ampere, having the positive contact indication, and the very wide range with the changeover application for the AC to DC and the DC to AC. Also we have some other product for the TV telephone like this, very useful for some area, having the very well accepted for the AC and the DC part. You can get it into the 1 dB. If we talk about this Panasonic one, this is entirely different technology designed by the Japan, and the technology is that this is 3-level indications. This is the first time in India that we got the 3-level indication for the mid-trip, having the white indications. The other feature technology of this one, this is a wiping contact to clean the wiping, having the longer electrical and the mechanical life both. The other, that is this eco-friendly MCB. There is no cadmium, mercury, and lead at all. And this is that is the green building for the application of the green building like that. So this is energy efficient MCB. You can save the energy, you can save the power through this Panasonic MCB. We have again the different range of the MCBs: 6 single pole, double pole, triple pole, and the 4 pole. Also we have the isolator up to the 125 ampere of single phase and the 3-phase. If we talk about the RCC, we also have the single phase and 3-phase, the 25, 40, and 63 ampere of the rating of the 30 milliampere, 100 milliampere, and the 300 milliampere. Apart from this product we launched I think 2.5 years back, but this of distribution board we launched 1 year back. This SPN and the TPN, the both. This is TPN, this is SPN. This product we have tested in-house, and all the product of the anchor by Panasonic as gold as well as this Uno as well as the Panasonic is made at Haridwar only. If you talk about the testing kit to test the MCB on this testing machine of both the Uno and the Panasonic, that shows this mechanism, and this MCB is best in India, and in terms of the tipping characteristic, in terms of the technology, and in terms of the features.
I'm Suraj from Anchor Electricals, Bangalore, looking after projects. This is a product from Anchor by Panasonic. Basically, you know about Anchor. Anchor is a 50 years old company taken over by Panasonic for the last 8 years, and we have been called now Anchor by Panasonic. Here we have a product in wiring devices which we call it as Panasonic Vision. It's basically a world-class product in today's segment, where the switch is an ROHS. It is an restricted hazard substances which does not harm any environment. We have two range of switches in black as well as white. We have again two ranges, with groove, without groove, where people want to like with groove, they can go for this, or without groove, they can go for this. The other technology, if I talk about this is basically an screwless terminal switch, where it is operated as a clip of a button, like a speaker wire. You can just remove this, giving a flip of the clip, and insert it again, so that it is as strong as the other electrical wire. The help of this is nothing but you can you can save your time compared to the other switches. And it is again a shock-proof body, where you run your hand on this after the connection, the shock doesn't happen. The other advantage of this is, all the four sides we have a metal sheet cover given, so that it helps you to give a proper finishing after the alignment and after the fixture of the switches. Usually what happens is, there is a PVC cover which is given in this, where after screwing inside the metal boxes, due to the wall problem, the switch goes inside, and due to this you don't get in proper alignment, which helps you to give you a proper alignment if it is in metal shrouded. Rest, it is a matte switches, which gives you an additional interiors with usually switch you have is all glossy finish. Here we have a switch which is matte finish. Overall, this is one of the best switch in today's industry by Panasonic.
Myself Deepak Joshi, and I am looking after the IAQ products. As the Panasonic is basically going to launch the various new technologies in the Indian market, and one of the product is the energy recovery ventilators. Now, as we know that the energy consumption or the energy conservation is a very hot burning issue in India. So the energy recovery ventilators can definitely a product for the future. When we say the fresh air, then nobody is basically going into deep whether that fresh air inside are really fresh or not. But yes, with Panasonic energy recovery ventilator, we can say that we will get the fresh air throughout the running time of the product, and it will basically in a long run will definitely have the advantages for the health. Like what you can say, there are so many toxic agents, the chemically treated board, you can say, or the mats, or the furniture we are using, or the enamels, various kind of enamels we are using. But nobody knows that how hazardous the toxic agents or the emission of hazardous gases are there. So to eliminate it or to remove some kind of mechanical or you can say the ventilation is required, force ventilation we can say. So Panasonic energy recovery ventilator will definitely add on, and also it will basically give you the energy saving in terms of the heat loss during the heating and the cooling process.